Hello gems, my name is T. Welcome back to Gem City Budgets. In today's video, I am working in my family binder with $60 and a prop money. And let's get started. How are you guys doing today? What is going on here? Oh, okay. First, we are getting started with our adventure envelope here. And this saving challenge I got from Mint Dough. Let's go on an adventure. And this round, I'm going to roll a D20. This says $1,200. We got a 4. Dear, I try to roll a D20, think I'm going to get big numbers. But apparently not. So let's do the 4 here. And should I roll one more time? Okay, 4 and 6. So $10. Do we have a 6? Let me go ahead and just do this 5 and 1 here. $5 and 1 for $6. So $10 going in here. All right. We might come back to this one. All right. Next we got my daughter here. This is created by Budget with Carly. Says $50. So let's do this one here. So a 5. $5. And this is just sinking funds I am saving for the family. Nothing for anything particular, just one of those mom, can I get, or mom, you got money for, those type of situations. All right, so this is for my son. And let's go here. Ooh, a 4. This is created by Budget with Carly. So $4. Do I got $1? No, it's probably just, no, I got $1. So let's put a 5 in here. Perfect. I'm just going to do 1 right now because I want to finish this one for myself. And this is created by Budget with Tiffany 26, say $70. Oh, wow. I thought I was going to finish this one. Wow. Well, maybe not. Just one scratch, maybe. All right. 10, 11, and 12. Ooh, I thought I was going to finish that one. We'll see. We shall see. Next is for the hubby. And this is created by Becca Budget 777. And watch, I get to finish this one. Okay, that's a 3. Yeah, let's go ahead and finish this one for him. Ew, an 8. So $11. So 10 and 11. And this one is a 45 plus because we had the coffee cup and we had to double that amount. So let's see, with that coffee, that pumpkin spice saved us 20, 30, 5, 45, 47, $48. 20, 30, 45, 7, 8. Yes. So $48. Okay. So let me go ahead and write that on his tracker. So plus 48 would get us 95 plus 48 is 143. Perfect. I'm so happy I'm doing this because, I mean, I like to buy like just because gifts also. So it's just a nice way to have that sinking fund for that. All right, so we are saving for anything that the house may need, far as any repairs, decor, some refresh things around the house. This is created by Mystic Budgets, and the scratches are 8s and 5s, and then you have some rolling saves here. So let's do at least, we can do a scratch. Let's do this one. We got an 8. Should I do another scratch? Or should I do, let's do a roll. Let's do a roll. So I believe I was rolling a D6, yeah. And we got a 4. So that's $12. Ooh, $12, only $12. So let's do a 4. So we got 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Ooh, you was cutting that little close. All right. So cute, so cute. All right, we got our emergency fund. We got The Life of a Duck Named What, created by Stonegarter 307. And we are working on the back to school one, this one here. And what I got, $1, 2, 3, 4, 5, $6. Okay, we could at least find one. All right, let's see. What shall my eyes find me? Previous weeks, I was quick with it. This week, I'm kind of struggling. Uh-oh, hold on. I think I seen one. School. Oh, it's a school bus too? Let's see. We got CHOOLBUS. Okay, that's school bus. Perfect. And how much is, oh, $1. Okay, okay. Should I try to find another one? Let's do another one. So let me see. You guys see one? Ooh. Oh, I found another one. Is that on? Yes, band. Okay. Fun fact, I used to be in a school band, and both of my kids was in the school band. I played trumpet, my daughter played trumpet, and my son played alto sax. So a little fun fact. What I do, band? Yes. Perfect. So $2. I'm gonna stop there because I don't see nothing, no more on top. I mean, no, I don't see another one right now. Goodness, get it out. So that was emergency fund. We're gonna go back to what we got left. $4. So we go back to our adventure because hubby is ready to book our plane tickets and everything, lock in our location we are going next year. So 4, should I just do 2? Do we have a 2? Where is my, here we go. Oh yeah, I have a 2 right here. So let's do 2. And then I put the other 2 into the 100 envelope. Yeah, we do it like that. So let's put $2. And then let's go to the 100 envelope challenge. I've been neglecting you. I'm so sorry. And this is saving for a rainy day. And we are going to put $2 in and this is 100 envelopes. And this is how I just decided to do it. So let's go ahead and put our 2. Perfect. And this is created by Snowgarner 307. All right, gems, that is it. That was $60 put into my family binder. I just love this binder. Thank you, everyone, for your love and support. If you want to continue to follow me on this financial journey, please subscribe to the channel or share with a friend. And remember to stay magical. Bye, gems.